Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this wavy braided half up half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to take small sections of hair and wrap them round a curling tong. I'm using a waving wand. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Make sure that you alternate the direction of your curls every time you move on to a new section. Once you've got everything curled, use your hands and rake through those curls just to break them up a little bit. Now we're just going to gather the crown section of the hair, bring this to the back and give it a little twist, and then just secure it to the head with a bobby pin or two. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then loosen everything up by gently pinching and pulling at small sections of the crown. Now we're going to take a small slice of hair as close to that crown section as possible, divide it in three, and we're just going to create a Dutch braid. So we're going to cross the left strand under the middle, add a slice of hair, and then cross the right strand under the middle and add a slice of hair. And then we're just going to carry on Dutch braiding all the way down the side of the head. Just before the hair starts to curve round to the back, finish it off in a regular 3-strand braid. Apply some more texture spray to that braid and use your fingers to gently pinch and pull the outer edges of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. And then tie everything off with a clear elastic band. Then we're just going to repeat the same braid on the opposite side, remembering to keep it as close to that crown section as possible. Now take one of those braids and bring it around to the back and pin to the head using a couple of bobby pins. Next, we're going to take our fingers and just go between one of the stitches of one of those braids and pop a couple of fingers through. Then we're going to pass the ends of the opposite braid through to your fingers and pull it through and secure it to the head. Now we're going to take a section of hair just below the braid on one side and divide it in half. And we're just going to wrap the top section around the bottom section. And every time you do that, I want you to add a little slice of hair to that bottom section only. And then just twist up the hair until it starts to curve round to the back and finish it off in a regular twist. Add some texture spray to your twist, bring it round to the back of the head and pin it just below that braid. Then very gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at that twist to make it more voluminous. And then just repeat that twist on the opposite side. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.